Hello everyone, this is Timik Skin Glow. So today we're going to talk about sunburn, causes of sunburn, how to treat sunburn, and how to prevent reoccurrence. So what is sunburn? Sunburn, just as the name implies, is caused by the sun. It's caused by too much exposure to the sunlight. It is caused by too much exposure to the ultraviolet light. So your skincare product is not what is giving you sunburn. Your facial cream is not the cause of your sunburn. Your soap is not what is giving you sunburn. Your oils, your scrub, your toners are not the reason you are having sunburn. So that's why we always emphasize here, when you are using your lightening product, always use sunscreen. If possible, use your lightening product at night if you will be going out during the day. Okay? Your skincare product is not the reason you are having sunburn. However, if you are using a lightening product, then there's every tendency for you to have sunburn. Now, why do I say that? There are active ingredients in your lightening product that make your skin photosensitive to the sun. It makes your skin photosensitive, and by photosensitive I mean when you go out in the sun after using your lightening product without proper protection from the UV ray, then you are going to have sunburn. Okay, you know, like when you hold a mirror facing the light, you know that reflection you get effortlessly. That's what happens when you go out in the sun without using your sunscreen or without protective clothing. Now this is what I mean. This is a mirror here and I'm facing the light. You can see the reflection of the light effortlessly. You can see the light, the mirror calling forth the light effortlessly. Now that is what happens when you go out in the sun after using your lightening product without proper protection from the UV ray. That's what I mean by photosensitive. Active ingredients like your alpha-albutrin, your giga-white, kojic acid, retinol, you know, azelaic acid, your AHA, your BHA, your lighteners, they make your skin photosensitive. They make your skin very sensitive and active to the UV ray. Okay, so what do? Now you have sunburn on your skin, on your face, or anywhere. What is the next step? How do you get rid of it? To get rid of your sunburn, you should look out for products that have ingredients like niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to get rid of discoloration. It's an active ingredient for skin treatment and skin repair. So you should look out for skincare product that contains ingredient like niacinamide. Licorice root is another very active ingredient for treating sunburn. You can use licorice root in your formulation or licorice white powder. You can use your vitamins, antioxidants. Okay, vitamin C, vitamin E, they help to repair, replenish your skin. So you need antioxidant in your product. That's why I always recommend our sunburn and facial redness set. If you have facial redness and sunburn on your face, on your skin, you really want to treat it, then please go for our sunburn and facial redness set. That set contains facial cream, facial soap, and our instant glow turmeric scrub. It's going to get rid of your sunburn permanently. So how do you prevent reoccurrence? Now I've told you the cause, I've told you the remedy, what to do, what to use to get rid of the sunburn. How do you prevent it from reoccurring? What do you do? Wear protective clothing. Wear protective clothing during the day. Limit too much sun exposure. Do not expose your skin to the sun for too long. If you will be going out during the day, you're going to expose your skin to the sun during the day, then please do not use your lightening product during the day. Use a plain moisturizer during the day, and of course use your lightening product at night. This year is also very good. This is a very good sunscreen. I do not joke with this sunscreen. If you scroll down our page, you see I've talked about this product. I've done a review of this product in our page before. It's very good. This is what I use. This sunscreen is very good. Use a sunscreen. Use any sunscreen that you know is good for you. The good thing about this one, it does not leave white cast. It glows your skin and protects it very well. So that is it. Use your sunscreen during the day. Wear protective clothing, and do not use a lightening product during the day. I hope you've learned something today. See you in our next video. Bye.